This video is for Twinco Supply Corporation. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. And the first thing I want to go over is the content. So you want to have on your homepage more than 1500 words because Google love content, and as I see here is not enough content. And also you want to have right keywords in the pictures, saving in the right way. Also, if you see here, you see numbers. If here will be some keywords, it will be it also helps. So the second thing I want to talk about is the citation. So if you come here, we can see Google guaranteed ads, then we see normal ads, that in 2020 a lot of people have ad blockers, so some people can see it, some people not. And then here we see the map back. So what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. Within there, it would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on these maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed in. And you want to try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop it. Whatever they have, you want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this section down here. If you go down, we can see Yelp, we can see their expertise, and home advisors, and all of these big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there are website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. Yeah, so if you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link and you did some work for them, and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole websites are all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of my tools I have here is called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of those companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. As I see here, you have 57 referring domains. That gives you 859 backlinks, and you're getting fined for 103 keywords, and out of those keywords you are getting 100 people on average on your site each month. So just to show you one of your competitors here, see they have 716 referring domains that gives them more than 3,000 backlinks, and they're getting found for more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they have they're getting more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. So that's pretty much it that I had today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, will be awesome. And thanks again and have a great day.